آپ کا میزبان وقار علی خان حاضر خدمت ہے شکاگو سے. اور آج یہاں پہ جو ہے بہت خوبصورت اور شاندار لنچن تھا ان دی آنر آف ایمبیسیڈر جناب ہیلتھ کیئر فیسلٹی مسعود خان صاحب, جنہوں نے تمام ڈائسپورا, تمام کمیونٹی لیڈرشپ سے, بزنس مین, انٹرپرنور, انٹلیکچوئل, اسٹوڈنٹ, ویمن, سب سے خطاب کیا اور زور دیا کہ وہ پاکستان کو سپورٹ کریں اور پاکستان میں سرمایہ کاری کریں اور پاکستان کے لیے اچھے نام سے یاد کریں. اور انہوں نے کہا کہ بہت جلد اچھی نیوز آنے والی ہے اور امریکہ سے بھی تعلقات جو ہے وہ گریجولی سلولی گروئنگ آن اے گڈ ڈائریکشن انشاءاللہ. اور میں سمجھتا ہوں کہ آج سب سے بڑی کامیابی ہے وہ طارق کریم صاحب کی ہے, جنہوں نے تمام ان ہیرو کو, ان جواہرات کو جمع کیا اپنے گھر پہ اور تمام کمیونٹی لیڈرشپ کو عزت دی, رسپیکٹ دی, ویلیو دی آن ویری ایکول بیسز. سب نے ملاقات کی ایمبیسیڈر سے اور اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کیا. ایمبیسیڈر بہت بہت خوش ہے اور ان کا کہنا ہے کہ ہماری کمیونٹی جو ہے وہ ایوری واک آف لائف میں کامیابی کے جھنڈے گاڑ رہی ہے. وقار علی خان رپورٹنگ فرام شکاگو ایٹ دا ریزیڈنس آف طارق کریمی جناب, شکاگو.
But very briefly, before his appointment as the ambassador of Pakistan he started assignment in March 2022, and since last 2 years there has been a great movement and improvement in Pakistan and the United States relationship. We see a lot of engagements in these 2 years. He has, I think, started the process of rejuvenating this very crucial relationship. And just briefly to share with you that he has served on the key diplomatic position. Before his appointment as ambassador, he was the president of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. And before that, he also served, among other important positions, as the ambassador of Pakistan to China, prominent representative of Pakistan to Geneva, and also in New York. So, before I request him to address to you, I briefly would like to say a few words what we do. The Consulate General of Pakistan in Chicago is one of the 4 Consulate General in the US, and we have the embassy under the broader embassy umbrella. We continue to work on different priorities, and engagement with the community is a very key area where we have been very actively working. And I'm very thankful to you with your support. We have accomplished so many things in last few years. Our trade, economic and people-to-people interactions with this Midwestern regions are increasing, and we have together with the community organizations and all of you did so many cultural and other programs that projected the soft image of the country. That is a very critical area, and I think there is a huge scope for the further improvement. Thank you all for all this cooperation, and I would know without any further ado, would request Excellency Ambassador Masood Khan to say to address to you on this.
Thank you so much. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Now, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here in Chicago. Whenever I come, I meet wonderful people like you. And I've been frequently coming to Chicago, but on short trips. So, but every visit in Chicago has been very, very productive. I can recognize many of the friends here. I see Arshad Rehan Saab, probably he's come for Apna event. And there's Rathore Saab, there are other compatriots from, compatriots from Kashmir also who are here. And Mr. Chalisa, I met him a short while ago. Mr. Khokar, who is the mayor. So it's a familiar community, and we also remain in touch virtually. I mean, sometimes when there are business problems, we discuss them. We have Zoom meetings and we try to resolve problems. First, let me start with paying tribute to Mr. Tariq Karim. He is doing a wonderful job. And while we were driving from the airport to his residence, I saw the brief that he had prepared. And he has done substantive work in the past 2 years. He's been reaching out to the community. Now, when we reach out to the community, it's a different kind of community. In fact, we are reaching out to Americans. Because you're Pakistani American, but you're also American Americans, because many of you have lived here for decades and you have citizenship. So, and you're influential with Congress and the administration, not only the Congress at Capitol Hill, but also here locally, whether they are assemblies or senates, and the local administrations and governor's office. So, you are the ambassadors of Pakistan. He's been reaching out to them, and he's been working on trade and investment, and he's been working on technology and healthcare. All these initiatives are important for Pakistan and for the United States. And you are working as bridge builders between Pakistan and the United States. So while I thank him, I also thank you for the sterling role that you have been performing. What are my key messages today? First is that Pakistan has a destiny. It's a country of 240 million people, the fifth most populous country. There are forecasts that it would become one of the best performing economies in the world. It's a matter of time. And diplomats in Washington, D.C., or even American decision makers are looking closely at Pakistan, how its potential could be realized fully, and how we can strengthen Pakistan-US relations. I think you've been working on that directly or indirectly, consciously or unconsciously, because when you rise here in different professions, Pakistan rises. And with that, the muscles of Pakistan-US relations get strengthened. And here, it's a diverse community. It's not just physicians. I've come to Chicago, and you're specializing in different areas. The second thing that I want to say is that many other nations have passed through difficult periods. Pakistan is one of them. But I was talking to one of your entrepreneurs, and he told me that he looked at an analysis which is done by a company here, very objective, detached analysis. आप मुझे बता रहे थे. And you told me that Pakistan, as far as IT industry.
आज की मीटिंग कैसी रही आपकी? How do you feel the community reaction and ambassador spoken very well?
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आज हमारी यहाँ रेजिडेंस पे जैसे कि आप खुद इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, एम्बेसडर मसूद खान साहब वाशिंगटन से तशरीफ़ लाए थे, और हमने कम्युनिटी लीडर्स और जो की बिजनेसमैन हैं उनको यहाँ बुलाया था. हमने उनसे बातचीत की, एम्बेसडर साहब ने भी एड्रेस किया, और बड़ी अच्छी इंटरेक्शन हुई है. इसमें कम्युनिटी की सारी लीडरशिप है, ना सिर्फ ये कि कम्युनिटी के लोग शिकागो लैंड और एलिनॉय से, बल्कि और स्टेट्स, ओहायो से, मिजूरी से और विस्कॉन्सिन से, दीगर स्टेट से आए हुए हैं. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है कि जो बातचीत हो रही है कि हम पाकिस्तान में सरमायाकारी को, तिजारत को कैसे बढ़ाएं, लिंकेज पाकिस्तान और मिड वेस्ट का कैसे करें मज़ीद. तो इसमें हमारे प्रोफेशनल लोग भी हैं, इसमें वो लोग हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी पाकिस्तान में इससे चीज़ों को इम्पोर्ट कर रहे हैं, और वो लोग भी हैं जो कि वहाँ मुख्तलिफ दीगर प्रोजेक्ट में भी काफ़ी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. तो हमने बड़ी एक इनकरेज किया है कि आप जारी रखें. एम्बेसडर साहब ने भी इसमें हाईलाइट किया पाकिस्तान की जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं जो अभी सरमायाकारी या ट्रेड में. तो मेरा ख्याल है बहुत अच्छी गैदरिंग है, बड़ी डाइवर्स है, और की जो लोग हैं वो चुके आए हुए हैं, तो वो आपस में भी एक किस्म का नेटवर्किंग इवेंट भी है. और
Are you excited सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान अवार्ड नाइट कमिंग टू शिकागो.
लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड जी, हम तो चाहते हैं कि आप शिकागो बड़ा थर्ड लार्जेस्ट सिटी है, हमारी बेहतरीन कम्युनिटी है, यहाँ बिज़नेस और ट्रेड और दीगर चीज़ों में भी बड़ा अहम है. तो शिकागो नाइट जो आपसे मेरी बात हो रही थी, आपका बड़ा शुक्रिया कि आपने शिकागो को मंतखब किया है, और हम इनकरेज करेंगे सारी कम्युनिटी को कि वो भी ज़रूर इसमें आए. और बिल्कुल आप ऑलरेडी पाकिस्तान के रिलेटेड जो चीज़ों को प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं बड़े मशहूर है आपके कि पाकिस्तान का सही तशख़्ख़ुस और प्रोजेक्ट जो सॉफ्ट इमेज है उसको करने के लिए बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि हम सारे के सारे एक पेज पे हों, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में ट्रेड के लिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, पाकिस्तान की स्ट्रेंथ्स के लिए, पाकिस्तान ने जो अचीवमेंट की हैं उनको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, हमारी कम्युनिटी की जो स्ट्रेंथ है उनको करने के लिए
एक्सीलेंट
सबको मिलना है.
तारिक करीमी साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका इनवाइटिंग मी एट योर residence.
It's a great
Very honor for me.
It's a great pleasure to have you here, जी. वकार साहब, it's always great to see you. और बहुत खुशी हुई कि आप हमारे तशरीफ लाए और माशाल्लाह.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे मिजाज है?
Waalaikumsalam, Khair.
Would you spell your full name and your designation?
I'm Umair Siraj, CEO of Chestnut Health out in Chicago.
वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. सो मुझे ये बताइए कि आज की जो इंटरेक्शन मीटिंग थी एम्बेसडर के साथ, कैसी रही? आपने क्या फील किया?
I think it's a continuation of a momentum that we feel that's being built up for Pakistan in terms of all the progressive changes that are coming about economically. I think the visit from the finance minister at the IMF, the entire delegation, was a big milestone in that a series of steps. And I think today's ambassador's engagement with us and the narration of all relevant aspects in terms of different industries where serious development work is going on, I feel very positive. I anticipate that the coming months and years, inshallah, for Pakistan are going to be stronger and better than the past.
Okay. Are you active in American politics as well?
No.
Okay. What your company actually does?
Oh, my company. Oh, we are a multi-state medical company that works with hospitals and rehabs. We have medical doctors that run the Medicare program for the hospitals in various states, entire Midwest region.
On the western region? Okay. So this is your first position, or you have done other project?
I've done many such projects, but this is our largest one, yes.
The largest one, mashallah. You hopeful for Pakistani progress?
Absolutely. I'm very, very optimistic.
Thank you very much, sir, Mr. Suraj. یہ بتائیں کہ آج کی میٹنگ کیسی رہی ایمبیسڈر کے ساتھ؟
آج کی میٹنگ بہت اچھی تھی. ایمبیسڈر صاحب نے بڑی موٹیویشن کی بات کی ہے کہ پاکستان میں کس طرح سے ہم ٹیکنالوجی کو امپروو کریں, انویسٹمنٹ کو بڑھائیں اور ایگریکلچر میں ماڈرنائز کریں. دیٹس اے گڈ پارٹ آف what the ambassador said, and I think that's very good. I wish we can all follow up, investment کریں پاکستان میں اور اس کا امپروو کریں.
تھینک یو ویری مچ. آج ایمبیسڈر سے آپ کا انٹریکشن کیسا رہا؟
سر بہت اچھا رہا. ہی از مور دین ویلکم ٹو شکاگو. ہی ہیز آلویز بین کمنگ ہیئر سپورٹنگ دا کمیونٹی اینڈ وی آلویز سپورٹ ہز انیشیٹو.
You introduce yourself, who you are?
My name is Tariq Jinejo. I am here a businessman in Chicago.
Aleem Ahmed, IT expert, and obviously it was a very good occasion. We really appreciate the presence of Mr. President and His Excellence and Ambassador of Pakistan. The message he given, we need to invest back into the community because I believe we owe our homeland, and it is our duty to invest in the what you call nation. It was a very good evening. Thank you very much for having us.
What do you think, sir?
Ji, Javed Rathod. It was very meeting a listening investor. He's always very fluent and talk about Pakistan and for investing in Pakistan, and I know him for a long time, and he talked a lot of things about Pakistan and encouraged the community to invest in Pakistan. But I think Pakistan needs more political stability and need to change the perception by implementing the law and order. That's very important. I think perception of Pakistan is not good abroad, and that need to be changed. And unless that will not change, I don't think anybody is going to invest.
Thank you, sir. How do you feel meeting with Ambassador interaction today?
Well, it's an honor to me.
with our Pakistani ambassador. We are all on our own capacity ambassador to the Pakistan. But when we see the official ambassador comes in, we feel really appreciated. And we want to really help him and help our country back home. And this is what we are doing.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Thank you, sir.
ये बताएं आपको आज की मीटिंग कैसी लगी?
Very good, very good. We were very impressed. Very impressed with the plans. बहुत अच्छे.
बहुत अच्छी मीटिंग थी.
Very well organized. Food was delicious. Speeches were awesome. Lot of people, good attendance.
Very interesting people. Talked to a lot of interesting people.
Excellent.
Lots
Thank you
of
very
Harvard
much.
graduates. Nice to see all the Harvard
Thank you.
graduates.
How do you like the meeting today with ambassador?
It was perfect. Yes, the guest, everybody was like, we are meeting with the community people and we really enjoyed spending time with them.
What do you do by profession?
I'm a physician.
Physician. What do you treat as a physician? A gyna or neurologist? What will you do?
Well, for now, I think it's good to have a community supporting each other. As and a Pakistani ambassador is here, so we are would like to make sure that everybody is being recognized for what they're doing and help to support our community, not in America but in Pakistan also.
Thank you very much. So how do you like the meeting today with the ambassador?
Very good, very informative. What else can I say?
Excellent. Thank you. How do you feel the meeting today?
Excellent meeting, a lot of good conversation with the ambassador and looking forward to the collaboration.
Thank you very much. How do you like the meeting today?
Great, it's a great meeting, yeah. Great meeting everyone. Yes.
Thank you very much.
And the ambassador gave a good talk.
یہ آپ کو کیسی لگی؟
यहाँ की मीटिंग is जबरदस्त, very nice. We have a lot of dignitary, lot of good reception, wonderful food. बड़ी गपशप है. It looks very nice to meet all Pakistanis and all other people here. Just remarkable.
Thank you, sir. Ibrahim Khan. So what you have done in Harvard University?
I had a degree in economics with a minor in computer science.
Computer science. You working already?
I am working, yes.
Where are you working?
I'm a senior software engineer at Fidelity.
Okay, and where do you live?
I'm in Chicago, but I'll be moving to Boston pretty soon.
Boston soon?
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of company are you looking for to join in Boston?
So I'm going to be joining Fidelity Investments, but I think I want to kind of join a company that merges the financial industry as well as the technology space. I think it's really important to have people who are from our community involved in these startups, tech startups, and just becoming involved in innovation in general. So just being able to cultivate knowledge in these various fields, I think is quite important.
Very good. Thank you very much, Ibrahim Khan. السلام علیکم. کیسے مزاج ہے جناب؟ تو یو آر دا میئر آف دا وچ سٹی؟
Yes, I'm mayor of the London Heights. I'm the first Pakistani American elected mayor in the history of the United States.
Okay. When you elected mayor?
I was elected, I took oath May 2021.
21. MashaAllah.
Election was like 21 election.
Okay. Since how long you are living in this society?
In US? I have been here for last 40 years.
Last 40 years. So by profession, what do you do?
I'm attorney from Pakistan, and I'm doing multiple things over here. I was teaching at College of DuPage as a criminal justice professor, and I go overseas as a law professor from US.
Okay.
And now I'm mayor. I work as a trustee for a library. I was chair of Township Democratic Organization, Bloomingdale Township.
Okay.
So I'm doing different things in here.
So how do you think today's meeting with the ambassador?
Oh, he's very experienced, very professional, and he has deep knowledge of his profession as a ambassador. And Mr. Tariq Karim, Consul General, is a very professional, very thorough person, hard worker, and they both know how to reach out with different communities.
Very good. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.